Now, Action 10's Sonia Hill with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Hey there, South Texas. Happy Wednesday to you all. Hope you're all enjoying the midway point of this wonderful week. So we're going to start off the forecast with a current weather alert. We're going to be under a coastal flood advisory from 10 o'clock tonight until noon tomorrow. What can we expect? Well, tides will be 2 to 3 feet above normal. This will be most evident in the overnight hours. And with this, we're also going to see an increased risk of rip currents. And this is all because of now tropical depression Gordon. And on that note, let's go and take a live look out at Bob Hall Pier. Checking that out right now. The tide situation not too bad right now at Bob Hall, looking like a really nice day at the beach, but this is going to be most evident, as I mentioned earlier, during the overnight hours. Now checking out the current radar, we did see another round of scattered showers here in the coastal bend. However, here in Corpus Christi, we were left out from all this rain, but right now most of it has dried up. We're only seeing a few isolated showers in southern Duval and northern B counties, but as you can see here in Corpus Christi, we did not see much rain at all, but to our west it was a different story. That's where more of that scattered shower activity was located. Now taking a bigger look at the state of Texas, most of the Texas Gulf Coast did see scattered showers today. Right now we're still seeing some showers over the Gulf, plenty of cloud coverage there as well. Now it's time to take a look at the tropics. The remnants of Gordon are currently moving through the Louisiana border, moving into Arkansas, dumping plenty of rain on that part of the country. So now that Gordon is a thing of the past, we're going to talk about Hurricane Florence. Now this storm has seen some incredible development over the last 24 hours, and now it is a major hurricane, a Category 4 storm with 130-mile-per-hour winds moving through the Atlantic. Right now it is not a threat to the Gulf Coast. However, impacts to the East Coast not out of the question. We will continue to closely monitor this very strong storm as it moves through the Atlantic. And now we're watching a second area off the coast of Africa. Now this area is also quite a bit concerning because it has a high risk of development. Once it moves into that red oval area, that's when we can expect it to quickly develop, and it should become a named storm here in the next couple of days. Now back here at home, the water vapor imagery shows us that we are seeing plenty of moisture over the Texas Gulf Coast, and this is leading to increasing rain chances here in the coastal bend. Also causing some increased rain chances is upper level energy. Right now we're seeing plenty of that over the coastal bend. Just yesterday most of that was to our northeast, but now it has crept into our neck of the woods, and it's going to be hanging out here through tomorrow and into Friday, and this is going to lead to better rain chances here in the coastal bend. Here we are Thursday afternoon. That's going to be moving off a bit to the west, but still we're going to see some pretty good rain chances in our area. Speaking of which, checking out the future tracker for tomorrow, as you can see, tomorrow 7 o'clock in the morning, already seeing some scattered activity that'll continue through the noon hours, and not just then, it'll also continue into the late afternoon and possibly into the early evening hours here in our area. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation has over 250,000 5-star reviews. That's a lot of happy customers. Join them now by shopping at AutoNation.com. Now breaking down the 7-day forecast, expect scattered showers for Thursday and Friday, becoming isolated for the weekend. Scattered shower activity is expected again for Monday and Tuesday. It'll become isolated again by next Wednesday. Well, it's all the time for me in the forecast. Andy, back to you.
Sonia Hill, the owner of those 2 dogs that were strangled while helping Aransas County Sheriff's deputies with a search.